Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you are checking out WarriorPlus and you're wondering, is this a good network for you to generate income from? How does this actually work? Is this worth your time? And how can you start to make a full-time income from WarriorPlus? Okay, so I'm going to review WarriorPlus. I've reviewed all sorts of different websites online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's take a look at WarriorPlus to see whether you can make a lot of money from it or whether you should just skip over it. All right. Now, at any time, if you want, you can get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month. I'll send you this strategy for free. All you need to do is just click the link in the description box below. I'll send that directly to your email address. Okay. Now, WarriorPlus is actually an affiliate network. So they house a lot of different products on WarriorPlus. They've been around for many, many years. It's a very legitimate affiliate marketing network based in the USA. It's one of the many affiliate marketing networks. And if you don't know what that is, all it is you're able to come here and create an account for free. So you can sign up for free right here, free sign up. I'm just gonna log into my account so that I can show you how this actually works, okay? Just let me kind of plug this in right here. Should already be done, but sorry about this. Okay, and you can basically get a whole bunch of different products, mainly digital products that you can market, and when somebody buys them, you generate a commission. Okay, very, very simple. Now, the way that the marketplace works is you would come to marketplace and you can take a look at top products, for example. We're not going to go in there right now, but you can go into categories and you can find all sorts of different categories of digital products, right? So, for example, affiliate marketing training courses, copyright training courses, email training courses, right? Traffic, for example, and then even different platforms like, how do you do Kindle marketing or eBay marketing or Facebook or LinkedIn, for example, e-commerce, cryptocurrency, blockchain. You can see that here. They even have software, mobile, PC and Mac, copywriting services, and some other ones, right? So they're not in every single category, for example. So if you wanted to sell, for example, weight loss, they're not very big into weight loss. If you wanted to sell gardening products, they're not very good into gardening. Maybe you wanted to sell wood, a woodworking training program. They're not very good in certain areas, but they're very big into marketing, education, platforms, industries, software, services, and domains. Okay, so these are the main ones if you want to sell products from WarriorPlus. All right. Now, just like a lot of other networks out there, there is a range of quality. Okay, so there's some very good products on WarriorPlus and there's some pretty bad ones too. It just depends on which ones you market and sell, right? But let me show you how this works and how you can make commissions from this. So let's just say you wanted to sell a product in affiliate marketing. Okay, this is the niche that I'm in. I teach people how to make money online. There are lots of different training courses on affiliate marketing. Some are great and some are just bad. Okay, so let's take a look at some of them, and let's just say that you've done your research and you found that Autopilot Wealth Builder is a good product, right? So what I would do is I would highlight this right here. I would copy it, okay? And then I would come into affiliate and your affiliate dashboard, and I would go to offers, all right? Now you need to basically search for the offer. So I would paste it in here. Okay, I would search for it, and then you need to request for the actual link. So you see here, Autopilot Wealth Builder. I'm gonna click on the request link right here, and then I would just request for it, the vendor. Okay, you must be approved by Damsey Ad to promote this offer, and I'm just gonna request approval, and you can put some notes in here if you want. You don't necessarily have to. Request offer, and then they will say success. You'll be notified by email when the seller accepts your request. Okay, so if I'm gonna come back here, I'm gonna go to offers, and there are a few offers that I promote, right? So I'm gonna click on all offers. I'm gonna show you just the ones that are approved only. Okay, and once I have that list, so you can see here I've got all the links of all the ones that I've promoted in the past. Okay, and so let's just say I grab this link for Affiliate Legion, which is actually one of my students, Dan Khan. He's doing very, very well online now. He's got his own program now. I would click on get link, okay, and this would be my affiliate link or your affiliate link to promote. So if I was to copy this and I was to promote this online, so I'll just show you what this looks like. I'm going to paste it. When somebody comes to this particular page, this is my special affiliate link, all right? And if somebody buys Dan's product, I will generate a commission, okay? Or you will generate a commission, okay? And the pricing depends. The thing about WarriorPlus is they have some very cheap programs, but they also have some pretty expensive ones too. It just depends on the vendor. Sometimes it could be, you know, a $7 product. Sometimes it could be a $100 product. Sometimes it could be a $1,000 product. So it just really depends on what product that you sell. But it's as simple as that. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you the thing that I do like about WarriorPlus a lot is that when you generate a sale, you've got a dashboard here. Okay. Let me just show you the dashboard. All right. So this is the dashboard. And you'll see, you know, commissions coming in here, you know, today, yesterday, the last 7 days, or the last 30 days. So you can see in the last 30 days, I've generated just over $2,000 in commissions with WarriorPlus. I don't promote WarriorPlus products all the time. I do it strategically. If I find a good product, I'll put a promotion behind it. But you know, on a daily basis, I don't necessarily sell WarriorPlus products, but they do have some good products that you can sell if you want. It's completely up to you, all right? But I like the dashboard. It's very, very clear. You can see all the hops coming in, all the sales coming in, how much you've made. If there are any refunds and anything or anything, they handle it. You don't have to handle any of that, okay? And when you're ready to withdraw, and this is the coolest thing about WarriorPlus, is you just come into your WPlus wallet, right? And they will allow you to withdraw after your transactions have come through, all right, and it's cleared past the refund period, and then you can withdraw every week. Okay, so you need PayPal, all right? You need to be connected to PayPal. So let's just say I wanted to withdraw this amount right here. I would just click on withdraw, and I would just put, you know, the amount right here, 206.94. I don't know if I can withdraw this right now because it might be within a week, but let me just click on withdraw funds. Let me just do that. And okay, so it says you withdrew you know, $2,752 on the 26th. So you need to do this on the 3rd of May, which is actually tomorrow, okay, for me. So I can withdraw this amount tomorrow if I want. And then it goes directly into your PayPal account. It's very, very cool. And you can see here that I have generated about $5,799 with WarriorPlus, again, because I don't really focus on selling WarriorPlus products. But when they have good programs, I'll put a small promotion around it, and you know, generally generate quite a lot of sales that way. Okay, but overall, WarriorPlus is a great platform. All right, but you have to understand that WarriorPlus is a network. It's not going to teach you necessarily how to sell digital programs online. You still have to learn how to do that. It's just a network. Okay, so just like ClickBank, Digistore24, JVZoo, all very, very similar. Share a Sale, Rakuten, Amazon Associates, these are all networks, right? So these are all very big networks, and they have thousands of products online, but you still have to learn how to sell the products. So, because you see, the problem is that if I went to my offers right here, all right, and I was to grab any of these offer links that I've been approved for, you know, so you can come in and you can request all of these different things to sell, and there are lots to sell, right? So let's just say it's a secret email system. If I grab my link right here and I was to take this link and I was to post it all over social media, that's the worst way to promote affiliate products. You're not really going to make money that way. You need to learn how to do it, right? And the best way to do that is to learn to build a sales funnel, learn to generate traffic, and then learn to build a relationship with your customers over a period of time, and emailing them regularly so that they know who you are. That's really the best way to promote WarriorPlus products. All right, or you could put a bonus behind it, and then you could do a promotion for 3 days, set a timer, offer a bonus, and when people buy it, you give them that bonus. That's another great way to do it. Okay, but overall, WarriorPlus is a great platform. It works very, very well. They pay out on time. They've got a pretty big selection of decent products. Again, in those specific categories like we spoke about earlier, they don't have access to you know, stuff like, again, you know, gardening or weight loss or meditation or mindset. They don't sell these types of products, but they're pretty big into marketing, education, platforms, industry, software, and services, like I mentioned earlier. All right, so if you want to check out WarriorPlus, I highly recommend it. I still think that you need to learn a strategy to market them. So if you would like to learn that strategy, again, this is my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US. I'll show you exactly how you can start to sell products like WarriorPlus, and I'll send you that training for free if you would like. All you need to do is just click the link directly below and enter your email address, and I'll send you that training for free directly to your email. I hope you enjoyed this review of WarriorPlus today, and I hope to see you in another review. Take care.